डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमारे आज के चैप्टर का नाम है इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री। सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का इंट्रोडक्शन है। तो इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले डेफिनेशन है, हाउ वी डिफाइन इट। केमिस्ट्री की वो ब्रांच जिसका ताल्लुक इससे हो कि इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी केमिकल एनर्जी में कैसे चेंज होती है और केमिकल एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कैसे चेंज होती है, उसको इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री कहते हैं। ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री that deals with the conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy and chemical energy into electrical energy is called electrochemistry। जहाँ तक इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का ताल्लुक है, तो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री में टू टाइप ऑफ सेल्स आप स्टडी करेंगे। वो दो किस्म के सेल्स कौन से हैं? ये दो किस्म के सेल्स हैं, एक है इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल और एक है गैल्वानिक सेल और वोल्टाइक सेल। इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी केमिकल एनर्जी में चेंज होती है और गैल्वानिक सेल के अंदर केमिकल एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी के अंदर चेंज होती है। So in galvanic cell, chemical energy which is stored in the form of potential energy in a chemical is converted into the electrical energy in galvanic cell. Redox reactions take place in both type of cells, in electrolytic cell and in galvanic cell. In both type of cells, redox reactions takes place. Let us understand first the redox reaction. In order to understand redox reaction, we have to understand first the oxidation and the reduction processes or reactions. Oxidation is defined as a process in which an atom or a group of atom loses one or more electron to form a cation. So reduction and oxidation. Loss of electrons is known as reduction. Loss of electrons is known as reduction. On the other hand, gain of electrons is known as reduction. Loss of electron is called oxidation. Gain of electrons is called reduction. Reduction is a decrease in oxidation number. Oxidation is increase in oxidation number. So there are four definitions of oxidation and four definitions of reduction, and there are the four differences between the two. But these two definitions will hold good in this chapter, in the chapter of electrochemistry. We will deal with these two definitions. तो ऑक्सीडेशन क्या हुई? लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इंक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. रिडक्शन क्या हुई? गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और डिक्रीज इन द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. अब हम इसकी एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं ताकि आपको इसकी अच्छे तरीके से समझ आ जाए. तो जनाब, अब हम ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, कॉमन एग्जांपल है जो आप सब जानते हैं, मैट्रिक्स से आप पढ़ते चले आ रहे हैं, और अभी मैं वही कॉमन एग्जांपल यहाँ पे आपको दूंगा. ड्यूरिंग बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन of, in case of ionic bond, loss and gain of electron occurs. तो जनाब, बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन के दौरान लॉस और गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं। सोडियम इसको आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी के बराबर एनर्जी देंगे, तो सोडियम पॉजिटिव प्लस वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, गैसियस आयन, gaseous atom. Sodium gaseous atom, if energy is supplied to it equal to first ionization energy of sodium, then it will give you sodium positive plus one electron. There is loss of electron from it since there is an imbalance between the number of electrons and the number of protons. One proton has become extra than the electrons, so it becomes a positive ion, cation. This is unipositive ion. This is loss of electrons and it is known as oxidation. Loss of electron and it is oxidation. During this process, there is increase in the oxidation number. Its oxidation state here is 0. Oxidation state is the next topic that you will study. So before that, you just understand that its oxidation state is 0. Its oxidation state is plus 1 positive. So this is increase in oxidation number. This is from 0 to 1 positive. This is increase in oxidation number and this is known as oxidation. Increase in oxidation number, oxidation. Loss of electron, oxidation. Two different definitions having same meanings. On the other hand, Cl will gain one electron to give you Cl negative. Now Cl has high electronegativity. It will prefer to gain electron since it has 7 electrons in its valence shell. It will gain one more electron to complete its octet. According to octet rule, when its octet is completed, its valency is satisfied according to the octet rule. तो अब बात यह है कि यहाँ पे सोडियम ने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन खो दिया। जब सोडियम ने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन खो दिया तो सोडियम के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया। क्यों पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया? क्योंकि सोडियम के पास जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन थे उतने प्रोटॉन थे। पहले सोडियम एटम के अंदर जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन थे उतने ही प्रोटॉन थे। सोडियम एटम से सोडियम पॉजिटिव आयन बना है, तो जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं उतने प्रोटॉन नहीं रहे, बल्कि क्या हुआ है कि एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो गया है और एक प्रोटॉन ज़्यादा हो गया है। जब एक प्रोटॉन ज़्यादा हो गया तो उस पर ऑटोमेटिकली +1 चार्ज पैदा हो जाता है, यूनिट चार्ज +1 unipositive ion. This is cation and this is unipositive ion, sodium ion. Then chlorine atom, sodium has low ionization energy, therefore it will easily lose the electron. It has low ionization energy because its valence shell is away from the nucleus. So, due to low ionization energy values, all the alkali metals of group 1A, they are electropositive in nature because they have the ability to lose the electrons. Ability to lose the electron is called electropositivity, and like electronegativity, there is electropositivity. In electronegativity, there is ability to gain electron or attract electron. So, in this case, its oxidation number changed from 0 to 1 negative. When its oxidation number changed from 0 to 1 negative, this is decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर का कम हो जाना, यहाँ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर का बढ़ जाना, इंक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, यहाँ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर का कम हो जाना, डिक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, 0 to 1 नेगेटिव कम ही हो रहा है, तो डिक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर विच इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शन, डिक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. This is increase in oxidation number. This is gain of electrons. So these are the differences. This is just one example. In this chapter, you will deal with the plenty of examples revolving around the concept of oxidation and reduction. Actually, you will study the redox reactions mostly in most cases, and in order to understand redox, I first explained the difference between oxidation and reduction. Then I gave you the example, just one example from common life, and from science actually. तो अब इससे नेक्स्ट जो कंसेप्ट्स हैं उनकी तरफ जाते हैं. हमने दो तरह के सेल पढ़े हैं, बल्कि सेल से पहले हमें रिडॉक्स डिस्कस करना चाहिए. Redox, reduction plus oxidation. Reduction plus oxidation. What does it mean? It means actually it is like oxidation occurs first and reduction occurs later on. During oxidation there is loss of electron, one or more electrons, and during reduction there is gain of one or more electrons. During oxidation there is increase in oxidation number. During reduction there is decrease in the oxidation number. These two processes occur simultaneously in the same reaction. They occur simultaneously, then the process is called a redox process or redox reaction if it is a reaction. So, redox reaction is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously is called a redox reaction. रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन के अंदर रिडक्शन भी होती है और ऑक्सीडेशन भी होती है, दोनों प्रोसेस इकट्ठे होते हैं एक ही वक्त में। पहले ऑक्सीडेशन होती है फिर रिडक्शन होती है, क्योंकि लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा तो गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा। तो दिस इज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन, लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड साइमल्टेनियसली द गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन during a process. This is a process, is the redox process or redox reaction. Then we have to move towards the two type of cells that we started discussing. Electrolytic cell, number one. In electrolytic cell, electrical energy is provided to a solution or a molten compound, ionic compound, binary ionic compound, or any other ionic compound, molten compound, which is also called a fused compound, which occurs at its melting point. So, in order to achieve that, you have to cross the melting point of the compound, of the pure compound, to carry out the electrolysis, like electrolysis of NaCl is carried out at 801 degree centigrade, uh, which is its melting point, and NaCl is molten at this state, and then we pass electricity through that solution. That molten state, in molten state, ions are free from each other. They are freely moving in molten state along with the electricity. In the external circuit, there is flow of electric current in the form of free electrons. In the internal circuit of an electrolytic cell, there is an electrolyte which consists of ions. It is mostly the ionic compound, and it consists of ions like NaCl. NaCl is ionic compound in which you have Na positive and Cl negative, two ions, positive ion, negative ion. Positive ion is called cation, negative ion is called anion. So you have two type of ions. This is an ionic compound. तो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के साथ मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।